In this video, I'll guide you through how to make your Jotform submissions anonymous. Whether you're creating a survey, a feedback form, or anything in between, keeping the responses anonymous can be crucial for ensuring honest and unbiased feedback. So let's dive right in and learn how to do just that with Jotform. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. If you haven't already logged in, just enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a menu on the left side of the screen. Look for the option that says All Forms and click on it. This takes you to a list of all the forms you've created or have access to. Next, identify the form for which you want to enable anonymous submissions. Once you've found it, select the form and click on the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor interface where you can customize and configure your form settings. Now that you're in the form editor, look towards the top of the page and click on the Settings tab. This section allows you to tweak various aspects of your form, including its privacy settings. Once you're in the Settings tab, navigate to the Quick Share option. This feature is particularly useful for sharing your form with others while controlling who can access it. Within the Quick Share section, you'll notice an option labeled Share with Link. Click on Settings right next to it. This will open up additional options related to how your form is shared and who can view it. Here, you'll want to make sure that your form is set to private form. By doing this, you ensure that only people with the direct link can access your form, and you can further control who gets to see it. Once you've set your form to private, look for the Copy Link button, which should appear nearby. Click on it to copy the direct link to your form. You can now share this link with your intended audience, knowing that their submissions will remain anonymous. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully set up your Jotform to collect anonymous submissions. This setup is perfect for maintaining confidentiality and encouraging honest feedback. If you have any questions or run into any issues, Jotform support resources are always a good place to look for help. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your Jotform experience.